Hello, good morning students. Today we will start conic section. In chapter of conic section, there are 5 kinds of chapter. 1. Parabola. Chapter number 2. Ellipse. The third is hyperbola, and fourth is circle, and fifth is pair of straight line. Today first of all I will start the generation of conic. Generation of conics. Let us suppose we have 2 lines. Let us suppose we have 2 lines, L1 A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0, and L2 line A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. Equation of second degree conic. Equation of second degree conic is equal to, that is L1 into L2 equal to 0. Okay. Since L1 into L2 equal to 0, A1x plus B1y plus C1 into A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. By multiplication we can write A1 into A2x square. Now B1 into B2y square, and similarly we can write here A1 x plus A1x into B2y, A1x into B2y plus A2x into B1y plus C1 plus A2C1x B2C1y plus C1C2. Similarly we can write here A1 C2x and plus B1 C2y equal to 0. We know very well. Basically, today topic is started the generation of conic. How conic will generate? By multiplication of equation of 2 lines, we will get second degree conic just like this. L1 into L2. Here L1 and L2 are equation of any 2 line like this. By L1 into L2 we got like this. Okay. Now we are coming on further. When A1, A2, let us suppose A1 into A2 equal to A, B1 into B2 equal to B, and similarly C1, C2 equal to C. So, and similarly A1 B2 plus A2 B1 equal to 2G and 2H. 2H. And A2C1 and A1C2 equal to 2G, and similarly we can write B1C2 plus B2C1 then now final equation of second degree conic will be ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx 2fy plus c equal to g plus c equal to 0. It is the standard equation of conic. It is the standard equation of conic. It is the standard equation of second degree conic. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. In future, if we want recognition of different kinds of general conic, just like parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, straight line and circle, we have need of one kind of a special operator just like delta. Then what you are thinking, sir, what do you mean by delta? Yes, delta will be here delta will be, it is a special term we should remember always, like this: ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square. Okay, now it is a very important thing. Now it should be under the A box. Okay, like this. Okay, now by assuming A1A B2 plus A2 B1 equal to 2H, A1 A2 equal to A, B2 B2 equal to B, and C equal to C, the previous equation will be converted into ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here, basically what we are watching here, it is the standard equation of the second degree conic, like this. Here delta will be, and this delta means ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square. This delta will help us in future. By how? Then we will see here. Continue please. Now, conic. Now, point number 2 will become point. Let us, we had seen equation of second degree conic square plus 2gx 2fy plus c equal to 0, where delta equal to abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square. That is delta. Now, types of conic section. It means recognition. Recognition. Now, first one is pair of straight line. Second, circle. The third one is parabola. The fourth one is ellipse. And the fifth one is hyperbola. Yes. You know very well here delta equal to 0, delta cannot be 0, delta cannot be 0, delta cannot be 0, or delta cannot be 0. Here h is equal to 0. In parabola, h square equal to a into b. Okay. Now, ellipse, here h square less than ab, and hyperbola is h square greater than ab. How? Now, here eccentricity, small e is the eccentricity of conic, equal to es upon em. Here for parabola it is e equal to 1. For ellipse it should be e less than 1. For hyperbola it should be e equal to 1. For circle e equal to 0. For pure straight line e tends to infinity. It is the distinctions between conic sections. Now we have 5 kind of conic section. First one is we are watching here straight line, and second one is circle, and third one is parabola, and fourth one is ellipse, and fifth one is hyperbola. You can see this easily. Now we are coming on next point. first, pair of street line. It is very interesting topic. Now, point number 1. Now we have two lines. Now we have two lines, L1 and L2. A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0. A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. Now, combined equation of pair of straight line, in shortcut we can write POSL will be L1 into L2 equal to 0. Then we will get AX square 2HXY plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus equal to 0. It is pair of straight line. Point number 2. We have two kinds of pair of straight line. Where at first when point of intersection of two combining lines when point of intersection of two combining lines is not origin, then equation of pair of straight line will be very simple. Ax square 2hxy by square plus 2gx 2fy plus equal to 0. Type second. When point of intersection of two combining lines is origin, when point of intersection of two combining lines is origin. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Now, my dear students, In chapter of conic section, we have 5 kinds of conic. First one is pair of straight line, and in chapter of pair of straight line, we had watched here we have 2 kind of equations where point of intersection is not origin. Then equation of pair of straight line will be ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now, where point of intersection of 2 combining lines is origin, in this case, the equation of pair of straight line will be the equation of pair of straight line. In shortcut, I had written POSL. In shortcut, I had written here POSL, termed as means as pair of straight line. Now we have two kind of pair of straight line. It is very important for us. The type segment is very important for us when point of intersection of 2 combining lines is origin. Now the real pair of straight line will start now. Now, in future correspondence, we will discuss pair of straight line equation of second kind only, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. It is should be understood as a future correspondence, and only this kind of pair of straight line is in syllabus of JEE, ITG. Thank you. Now, pair of straight line, unit first. Now it should understand as ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Derivation. What is the derivation? Let us suppose there are two lines which are passing through origin. Let y equal to m1x and y equal to m2x. We can write here as a m1x minus y equal to 0 and m2x minus y equal to 0. So, combined equation of pair of straight line passing through origin. L1 into L2 equal to 0. M1x minus y, M2x minus y equal to 0. Now, you can turn as equation A. Okay. Now I will continue this on next book. M1 M2 x square minus M1 xy minus M2 xy plus y1 y2 now it is y square. Correct. Now M1 M2 x square minus M1 plus M2 xy, correct, plus y square 0. It is well. Now it is equation B and we will compare it. Ax square plus 2hxy 2hxy plus by square equal to g. Since both equation A and B are comparable, since both equation A and B are comparable, so we should compare. So we should compare. You can see here we have taken two lines, those are passing through origin, y equal to m1x and y equal to m2x. By after multiplying this, we got equation B, and equation B actually is equation A. It means both equations are same and we can compare same equation. Since both equation A and B are same and comparable, so we should compare. In such a manner, we should write as on comparison we got m1 m2 upon A is equal to minus of m1 plus m2. We can write here like upon 2h. And similarly, we can write 1 upon B. After final comparison, now we are coming on that point. Yes, it means m1 m2 equal to A upon B. And we can say m1 plus m2 minus 2h upon b. It is a very important result. We should remember always. It is very important result we got from here. Okay, now we are coming on next point. Now we are coming on next point. What is the next point? We should know the point number 3. We know very well ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, and this equation is constituted by two equations. And we got from here m1 plus m2 minus 2h upon b and m1 m2 a upon b. My dear students, it is very important result for us. Now, I am coming on next point. Angle between two lines. Angle between two lines. Angle between two lines. Angle between two lines. Let us suppose it is x-axis, y-axis, it is origin. Y equal to m1x, y equal to m2x. There are two lines we got here, y equal to m1x and y equal to m2x. And both equations you are watching here, both equations are passing through origin. Angle between two lines is theta. Then we should remember, let us suppose we have two lines, y equal to m1x having slope m1, and we have another line y equal to m2x having slope m2. Then we are interested how we can find out the angle between two lines. We should remember, my dear students, tan theta mod m1 minus m2, 1 plus m1 m2. After putting all these values here, we got 2 under root h square minus ab upon a plus b to mod. It is the tan theta. It is very important formula, my dear students. We should remember. Let us suppose if we put here the value of m1 minus m2 and m1 m2 from here, then we will get this one. Okay, now I am continuing. It means we can write here theta equal to tan inverse 2 into under root h square minus ab upon a plus b. A plus b. Property number 5. Property number 5. If L1 is parallel to L2, then what will be theta? My dear students, we should remember always proof. we can write as a solution. Solution. If L1 is parallel to L2, then theta will be 0 degree or 180 degree. So tan theta will be 0. So 2 under root h square minus ab upon a plus b mod value, it should be equal to 0. Then final result will be h square equal to ab. H square equal to ab. Now, 6th point. If L1 is perpendicular to L2, if L1 is perpendicular to L2, then theta equal to 90 degree, tan 90 degree means infinity we can write something upon 0. Something upon 0. So 2 under root h square minus ab upon a plus b equal to something upon 0. So a plus b equal to 0. So we got here a means coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square should be equal to 0. Now, second last point, I am coming on point number 7. I am coming on point number 7. Here you can see here that if L1 is parallel to L2, then what will be theta? Theta will be either 0 degree or 180 degree. When we put the value in this above formula, we will get x square equal to ab. When lines are parallel, then h square equal to ab. But when the lines are perpendicular, then a plus b equal to 0. It means coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square should be equal to 0. It is the required condition. Now we are coming on next point. Now, I am coming on next point. The point is point number 7. Equations of bisector of pair of straight line. Pair of straight line. Equations of bisector of pair of straight line. Let us pair of straight line. Let us pair of straight line ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Then equation of bisector x square minus y square upon a minus b equal to xy upon h. Let us suppose we have, my dear students, we have two lines L1 and L2. It is x-axis, it is y-axis. Let us suppose it is origin. Let us, we have two lines that is called as L1 and we can write here L2. We should remember both bisectors are perpendicular. L1 and L2, the bisector will be B1 and another bisector will be B2. Now we can understand if we have pair of straight line like these, then equation of bisector we will have, equation of bisector will be x square minus y square upon a minus b, it is a minus b equal to xy upon h. Now we are coming on last point, that is conclusion. It is the last point. Now we are coming on last point. The point name is conclusion. Now, point number 8. Conclusion. Conclusion. Conclusion has few points. Equation of pair of straight line when lines are not passing through origin is ax square 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. The second is equation of pair of straight line when lines are passing through origin. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. It is very important for us, so we can put in the box. Now I am coming on point number 3. Point number 3. Let us our POSL passing through origin AG made up by two lines y equal to m1x and y equal to m2x. So m1 plus m2 minus 2h upon b, m1 m2 equal to a upon b, and tan theta will be 2 mod under root h square minus ab upon a plus b. Good. And equation of bisector of pair of straight line is x square minus y square upon a minus b equal to xy upon h. The one important thing we should remember always, the point is 4. Condition 4. Any conic to be a pair of straight line. What is this? That is delta equal to 0. It means ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square equal to 0. Now the chapter is finished. Now that's all. Thank you very much.